So, as the previous video has described, we've got a video here about this project that I'm doing. Customer asked me to fix the chimney. This is now complete. Bing! That is done. Now what I've got to do is I've got to fix the roof. And as I go down, I'm going to take my scaffolding down from the chimney, put the soakers in and fix the ridge. Now, if you come and have a look over here, you have to get through here, I'm afraid, again. So if you have a look at the ridge tiles themselves are not even bedded in. So they need to be taken out, re-bedded in with sand and cement, a good mortar mix, properly bedded in, and making sure that when you're putting your ridge tiles in, you have it bedded onto below your fingers, that you could put your fingers in, and then you mortar up that. There has to be a bit of an edging of mortar underneath it, just to give it that extra wee thing, and then you just fill it out. So I have to go from there to the neighbour's place and lift all these tiles and rebed them as I go. Sorry for stopping the program, guys. Listen, 90% of you guys are watching this right now aren't subscribed to my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe and follow for more. I'm gonna have to make a little seat with a V piece of wood and a little seat that I can sit my bum on, because have you ever sat on that ridge tile? It's sore on your backside, I can assure you. So that's that. Again, I'm going to clean up the place and start pulling the scaffolding down. I may, this is my property here. This is one of my properties. I bought it this way, over here, this chimney stack over here. The lead tray's in it, the soakers are in it, that's great. But if you have a look, it's render, and they've rendered around what is the chimney stack or the aerial. I want to take that aerial down and replace the chimney pot. So I may get the scaffolding before I take it down and get a new set of scaffolding put across here so I can gain that and replace them chimney pots. So I might do that before I go. As you can see, my ridge tiles on my property are pretty good, so I don't have to worry about them. However, there's a lot of moss. You can see the moss. It's phenomenal, the amount of moss there is on that property. So I have to take that off. There's also a couple of wee tiles missing on this side. There's a tile missing on there. So that needs to be addressed. There's a wee tile there, look, just over there. That's gone. You can see the outline of where it used to be. So I need to replace that tile. So I will most likely pull out scaffolding to here and get that fixed before I take this down. May as well while we've still got the scaffolding up. But that's it, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.